Hi, good afternoon. It's me again. I just want to give you an update about the pouring I've done yesterday. So, strip 11 is severely damaged, as you can see. You can see the groove finish anymore, and there's a wash out on the surface because of the heavy rain. It's good I covered it, even it's been damaged. So what I gonna do with this, I have to patch concrete on top and apply a bloom finish again. So but I gonna do it maybe later. So this number 9 strip also I've done yesterday, but I covered it before the heavy rain comes. So it's perfectly done. So now I'm gonna do is strip 5 and 6 and strip 10 backfilling. But I have to check what the weather look like today, because there's a bit of patchy clouds. So I hope it won't rain, so I can strip the soft muddy on top of these remaining strips to be done, because it's unsuitable materials. So I strip that off and replace with suitable materials. But before that, I have to finish this concrete first before everything done. So basically 4 more pourings on this lower part of footpath before I can start the channel. So once I finish the channel, then I can start the upper part, and I can allow the water flows in here. So also I was thinking to extend more strips outside as part like of a landing. I was thinking to put another strips from this line to the wall as one more strips. So basically this becomes 13 and 14 strips. Yeah. So we have like a landing here before we go on the slope. Yeah. Alright. I hope everything's perfect today. So I mean it won't rain, so it won't damage the materials that I'm gonna put in on those remaining strips. Otherwise I have to remove it again and replace with suitable materials. Alright, friends, I hope all my viewers, subscribers, and what other people watching my YouTube channel are all okay at this stage. And yeah, I'll just give you an update sometimes in the afternoon what's the things I have accomplished for today. But so far, that's the information I want to give you about the pouring I've done yesterday despite of heavy rain. Yeah, because when it starts, the weather is just like this. Yeah, similar to this weather. But when I finish the concrete pouring and about to do the finishing touches, and then heavy rain comes. So luckily I already finished the strip number 9 before finishing that strip 11, but unfortunately there's a heavy rain, so that's why it's been damaged. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and I'll give you an update sometime this afternoon about the progress of this concrete footpath construction. Bye for now, and please be safe, and God bless to all of you. Bye for now.